So your landing page gets traffic but no conversions. You know something's wrong, but you're not a copywriter or a designer. In this video, watch me take an existing page, improve the messaging and design to create the ultimate web page using AI agent and just one prompt.
Create a landing page with agents. First, you have to go to chat.ajelix.com because that's the tool we're going to use for this super amazing workflow. The next thing the next thing is the prompt, of course. I have already prepared a prompt, so this is my prompt library. I have already prepared a web page prompt for this specific use case, and here at the first, I'm asking AI to research my brand. So because I don't have a content right now, so I will just provide the homepage of my SaaS, of this agent actually, and ask him to create a high conversion one-page landing page focused on value-based selling approach. So this link is actually my old web page, so it will be interesting to see what he will create and how he will upsell the product. And yeah, so I'm asking it to create a value-based selling approach using to clearly showcase the tool and use a futuristic premium design that feels like it's 2030. So we'll see, because we are a tech, so that's why we're using this prompt. And then I'm also giving him the brand colors to use in the web page. Before we're hitting send, it's first, as we're asking him to do the research, as we're not providing him a content, I should enable the web search because I want him to extract a super fresh information that is currently on the web about this specific brand. So the reason it's not always needed to include to enable the web search, but when you're doing a research and you want a fresh information, then you should enable it. Otherwise, there's no point in enabling a web search, because if it's a common task, if it's a workflow, a data analysis, then there's no point. Another thing is to switch to agent mode, because chat is for light tasks, planning, and just interacting fastly with the AI. But when you want to perform a complex tasks like this one, you need to enable the agent mode. And at this point, agent mode, it will be able to perform a research. He will perform, I would call, different tools just to complete the task for you. So a usual standard chat isn't able to do that. So agent is super important to do that, enable that. The next thing before hitting send, this is the last one I promise, is to change the AI model. At this point, we have enabled a small model that has medium intelligence, but we want this web page to be amazing. So I will enable, choose a model that has more intelligence. He will be slower, but I'm willing to trade that. It will still be faster than if I would create this landing page. So I'm going to enable this model for super quality, high quality landing page. And then finally, we can hit send and see what AI will provide us with. Right now, he's reasoning and preparing a workflow plan. And we'll see what he will ask us to do before he's doing the landing page workflow. Yeah. Okay, so at this point, we can see that he's reasoning and researching the brand and reading the file and doing the web search. So it will take a couple of minutes to just perform this workflow. So I'm going to pause a video right here, and then I will get back at you once we have the web page. Okay, so AI agent has finished the task. It took him actually quite short time, I would say 6 to 8 minutes maybe. And yeah, so here you can see the prompt that we gave him. And so he performed actually only 4 actions. So it was quite an easy task for him, because I have had workflows where AI performs more than 50 actions. So yeah, this is quite small. And okay, and yeah, so here's the summary of what he did. Okay, so I'm super excited. Let's take a look at what he created. And here, oh wow, stop wrestling with spreadsheets. So wow, I mean, this is like, wow, this looks amazing. I mean, this looks super, super duper amazing. And look at that visualization and the animation. And wow, like here is like the preview of what we are doing and like the demo of our, and we are featured in these things. Yes, that's true. Why teams choose Ajelix for smarter, not harder. Yes, we have 300 thousand users, so faster execution. Yes, we do all of this. Who is using Ajelix? Yep, but also professionals. As I mentioned earlier, the content that I provided him is the old landing page and old information about Ajelix, because everything that we have launched right now is super fresh and it's a new technology. So he doesn't have a context right now for all of it. And yeah, here are the reviews, and they look just amazing and ready to save days of work. So that's exactly what we do. And here is even FAQs. Wow. I mean, this is like, this webpage is just amazing. It's mind blowing. And wow. Okay. So I'm just super hyped because it would take me days and even weeks to create at least something similar to this. And then I don't think I could ever come up with something like this, even though I know UI, UX, and I've been building web pages like for several years, but this is just amazing. Okay, so enough with the hype. So what can you actually do with this right now? At this point, you can either download it as HTML, you can save it. So let's save it to our dashboard because this is just an amazing asset. And whenever you save assets, you can find them here in my assets view. And here you can see that here is the web page that we just generated. What else can you do? For example, if you have saved this asset or you have saved our different applications or web pages, you can, if you want, you can start a new chat or insert in other already existing chat and insert this asset into specific conversation. So you don't have to re-upload it or anything like that. You can just insert it. You can download it again. If you're a more technical user or if you understand the front end, you can easily just go to the code and here is edit content and just adjust the things that you need. Or if you're not that techie, you're not a developer, so here is the AI improve button that you can use. And okay, at this point, let me think, what could we change? Because this webpage is just so amazing that I'm not even sure what to change at this point. Okay, so let's just ask him to um, let's just ask him to change the title. Change the title of the web page, to turn data into results. Yeah, that's what we're going to change. How we're going to change it. Okay, and so at this point you can also like ask him to add several sections or ask him to change the. No, he didn't do it. But what did he changed? Okay, I'm a little bit confused right now. So, but yeah, I mean, it happens. At this point, you can either just reject the change the title of the landing page from stop wrestling with spreadsheets to turn data into actions. No, into results. Yeah, so now it's totally perfect. So because it's AI, it takes sometimes it's either the prompt or if you can't achieve the result, it sometimes take a little bit of iteration and prompt adjustment to achieve the result. So let's gonna change, save, and yeah, so that's actually how you can continue iterating. I have actually created like several applications that I can show you here. For example, I did a application. I did the dividend calculator. So this is all like fully interactive, and then I asked him to make it all interactive and create like everything. So yeah, there are like several things, and I also did an application on for the HR teams to create like structures, and like everything is fully interactive. I did so this was a one prompt shot, but I did ask him use this functionality, like this AI improve, to just download PNG files or to download PDFs. So I did, or maybe remove this quick guide. There were like several interactions that I did, but it was pretty solid and pretty fast. So I mean, this is like amazing what you can do with AI. Some time ago, we did also this e-commerce landing page that was also one prompt shot. Like, I mean, this is insane. It's super insane. For more technical thing, we did Monte Carlo simulator for financials. For example, let's change some of the things and run simulation. You can see everything changes just dynamically. And the best thing is that, okay, so for example, you have created some asset, and for example, here the spreadsheet. Here we can press the publish button, and we have a shareable link that we can share with our team or designer or developer, I don't know, whatever. And so yeah, and the best thing is that you don't have to do everything by your own, and this agent is actually usable. It doesn't just advise you or tell you how to build a web page or provide you a code. It actually gives you a fully interactive web page that is just mind-blowing. So yeah, this is what Ajelix agent can do. And if you're interested, just go to chat.ajelix.com. We have free tiers. You can test it out and use it. And so, yeah, if you found this video useful, please do comment below, so I understand that someone is actually watching it and enjoying it. And so thank you so much for watching till the end. If you're still here, and yeah, so feel free to subscribe to our channel, as we have so many other useful case studies, and we'll create more use cases as the time goes on, so you can automate your workflows and actually create things that matter and help you grow faster and move forward. And so yeah, thank you so much for staying, and have a good one.